So about to set off to Rome. Got my planned snacks, and this is also going to have to be breakfast for tomorrow. So thinking I will devour the raspberries, the juice obviously because I can't take that on board, maybe the cucumber, and of course the lettuce. And then tomorrow, hopefully these are going to be ripe enough to eat with my dates. And then I'm going to have to source something because I will be hopefully dancing all day at this audition. So just woke up in Rome. Flight yesterday was delayed by 3 hours, so I was waiting in the terminal for like an hour and a half, and then on like a stuffy plane for an hour and a half because there was like storms and stuff. So got here really late, couldn't find Wi-Fi anywhere. Was on my way to this couch surfing host place, I hope, and I was on the tram, and then I ran into like an old primary school friend who just happens to be here, and she has a spare room, and she said I could stay for last night. So got a good night's sleep. I just missed her. She must have left, and I overslept. So now I'm going to quickly throw down some of the bananas that are kind of squishy. I have 3 persimmons left, and then I'm going to walk to my audition. I think it's about 5 k's away. I don't really know how transport works. Kind of winged it last night and didn't even buy a ticket. So let's see what's outside. So I'm trying, but they are all like this, and they kind of, taste a little bit fermented. Probably should have put them in the fridge, but don't think it would have helped. They got squished on the plane last night, so just eating around it and trying to fit in as many as I can. Probably won't even fill me up, so. Oh, the woes of travelling. So about to devour some watermelon. Picked up a pre-cut piece for €2. It's not too bad. I'm gonna need a ton more food because all I've eaten today is 3 persimmons, 4 kind of squishy, horrible warm bananas, and some dates. So undercarbed. Audition, felt fat and shit, but did the best I could. So it's now like 5:45 p.m. Don't know where I'm staying tonight. Don't really know where I am. Sick of carrying around my bag, so having a bit of a grumpy episode, but once I knock some calories in, I'll be back to my happy chappy self. Alrighty, so finished. This weighed 3 kilos, so not actually sure how much of actual watermelon I consumed, but I feel nice and full, and I'm gonna need a pee, and I am somewhere in Rome. No idea where a bathroom is. Oh my god. So it's now 7:15. I've been wandering for like an hour and a half, it would appear, past like an organic store, picked up some tofu, because the lovely girl I stayed with last night said that I could crash again, even though it's going to be a bit inconvenient with only 1 key. I'm on my way there. She was going to a vegan-vegetarian restaurant and said I could join her or hopefully get to her house and let her know. I have like no credit and I can't find Wi-Fi. But I did stop off along the way and get a box of figs. Cost me €2.05. I think they were €1.50 per kilo. And then I got a whole pineapple that looks really ripe for €1. So I'm kind of hungry now. I'm not sure whether to have some figs and bananas or have like my pineapple juice or have my salad. Too much to choose from. It's pretty nice, so I'm going to quickly eat something, race to this restaurant or the girl's house and see what's going to happen. Otherwise I'm off to a random couch surfing stay for the night. These are all beyond squished, and same with these, and they've liquefied because it's so warm here, so we'll try and salvage them, maybe put them in a fridge if I get somewhere to sleep, mash them up. Otherwise it's a waste of just €2, which I saved on 2 bus fares anyway, so no harm done. Went to the markets and picked up, look at this, it's 1.3 or 2.9 kilos of delicious Italian cherries. Cost me €5, but it's totally worth it. They are actually like so tasty and juicy and good. So after an hour and 15-minute wait, so here we are in the Roman ruins. If you didn't already know, your Colosseum like €12 ticket actually gets you in here as well. And I probably wouldn't have been aware of it unless the couch surfing host I had mentioned it when we were walking by this last night. So it's pretty cool. It's way less crowded than the Colosseum and you can still see all these amazing things. So you've got a view, that monument, that old ruin there, and there's the Colosseum over there. So hello from the Spanish Steps. Starting to get so hungry. I've had 3 bananas, some figs, the kilo of cherries, which actually kind of made me a little bit loose in the going to the toilet a lot, and then I've had some dates, so my stomach is grumbling and I really need to find some fruity goodness, so I'm going to go for a wander. There seems to be nothing in the city, so I'm going to kind of have to head out and see what I can find. So check out this, found it sitting out in the corridor of my couch surfing host place. It's probably not a proper blender, it looks like it's more of like a coffee, I don't know, grindery type thing from the look of the bottom, but tested out 1 banana, blended up perfectly with some water, so now I threw in my remaining 4 with the 10 dates I have, and I'm going to blend away. That's me totally cleaned out of food. After my cherry situation yesterday, I am still feeling a little bit ill, but hopefully I can pick up some yummy deliciousness for lunch and dinner, and then it's back to Berlin I go. So I had 4 hours sleep last night. We kind of did some nighttime sightseeing like the previous night as well, so I'm basically just gonna like collapse as soon as I get back home. But it's been good, just so much to see and do. Just devouring a €2 slice of watermelon. Found some figs, got 2 boxes, this is just one for €3.20, so they were $1.49 a kilo, so it's just over 2 kilos. And then I dashed into the supermarket and got some dates, some dried figs, and yes, some juice, which isn't technically raw. But last night I caved, so I made 2 days fully raw in room, and then last night tried to order salad while still in the city centre while using Wi-Fi, and it was a disaster. Came back to the couch surfing host place and he had made like a vegan pasta dish, so had a little bit of pasta with like a simple tomato sauce. Wasn't too bad, but I've woken up this morning with horrid skin, so check out the line to get into St. Peter's now. It ends there. I think when I went to go in it was only up to there, so perfect timing. And covered in figs.